Alright, hey guys, what's up? My name is Infinite Blue, and I'm doing a case uncrating, and sorry, my friend is talking to me right now. Alright, I'm doing uncrating. I'm probably gonna have to open up that really quick. I just got my birthday money, so I bought all these keys. I'm not gonna be doing these ones, these are for my own personal use, and I might be doing something with them a bit later, which is awesome. So yeah, here we go. I got 10 crates I'm going to unbox here. Oh god, I'm scared. Alright. Let's go with the first one. I don't really know what to say. Alright. First crate. Wait. What crate should I unbox first? Number 9? Okay. I'll unbox some number 9. Oh god, what am I gonna get? That's ugly. What? Whatever. Alright, gonna unbox a 18. I have no idea. Alright, 18. What are we gonna get? I really hope we get an unusual, please. It's a bad find, yeah. I'm just gonna say that. I really want to get a paint. Don't ask me why I want to get a paint. I want to get pink as hell really bad, but I do not see it. Hello? Alright, just gonna unbox this then. Top thing, gonna unbox another, number 45. What is it? Something good, please. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! I can't! Mom, get the camera! Holy crap! I did not think I was gonna get unusual! Holy smoking pyro head. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy freaking crap, I don't even give a crap that I'm cursing. Oh my god. Holy freaking crap! Yes! Yes! Oh my god, okay, shut up. I got a freaking unusual! Oh my god! It's smoking though, so that's kind of crap, but thank you, Gavin! Oh my god! Use with, okay. Let's keep this. Okay, let's see what else I get. Gunslinger, okay. I'm happy whatever I freaking get next. Unbox 17 right now. Alright, calm down. I got a freaking unusual. Oh my god! Okay, give me all the pins you freaking want. I'm so happy! Oh my god, dude! Holy crap! Mom, get the camera! Okay, oh shit, I'm getting absolute crap now. I'm getting bonkers right now. I just got a freaking unusual! I've never been this happy! Oh my god. Oh. I don't know what the frick to unbox. All these are high tier. God dang it! Ah! Okay, shut up. Strange rod gun. Okay, give me a stranger. Oh my frick! I'm striped right here, dude. I got so much luck. Oh frick! Don't jinx it. Knock on some wood here. Engineer's kill. Good. I can add that to my sniper. Last key here, baby. I got a freaking unusual. This is the one that I unboxed. Let's unbox this one. What do I get? Strange Contra. Oh my freaking god. Okay, you know what? Ah, okay. Thank you. I can't end the video here. Dang right, that's freaking nice. I did not think I was gonna get an unusual. That looks so cool. Okay, I like that there. Keep it there. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna make people go deaf. Alright. I'm gonna join a game. Oh my god, I'm just gonna join a, like a... Let's just join this. Alright. Oh my god, I got an unusual. Oh my god. Oh my god, shut up, Allie. Oh, you freaking crap. That looks insane. Okay, well, there's my unusual that I freaking unboxed. Oh my god. Alright, there it is. I just probably made profit. If not, well, I'm in. Shit. Okay, well, wish me happy birthday. I'm probably gonna do a giveaway. Not of my unusual, but of some of these keys, like the 5 keys. You know, maybe like 4 keys. If I might. I probably will. Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did, make sure to like it, because I just got an unusual. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And peace out.